Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Massive shout out to the members. Thank you for your love and support and blessings monthly. It truly appreciated. Thank you also for all the other subscribers who are watching the content. Everybody that's not subscribed and watching my content, I appreciate each and every one of you. Firstly, I want to apologize for the lack of upload. I had a crazy busy few weeks at work. We're busy with audits. We're busy with financial year end. So it's just crazy busy. When I get home, I am so tired. I just don't have the energy to come and sit by the table and do something. Weekends, I'm just trying to catch up on some sleep and some rest. But this morning when I woke up, I decided I am going to do some coasters. Yes, we did some coasters in the past on the channel, but this one is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be made a little bit different. The process is the same, but the pictures are different. Let me show you guys what we are going to do today. So this is the pictures that I have that I am going to put up. It's the big five. It's the buffalo, the cheetah, the elephant, the rhino, and the rhino. It's the big five animals of South Africa or over the world. If you, so I have four little coasters here that I will be using. It's four little coasters. They've already got their cork at the back, but we are going to repaint the white and put the pictures up. So I've got a dark green paint that I'm going to use for the background. The gold is for the side. Once the coasters are completely finished, we are just going to paint the side with the gold color, just to give it that final trim. This is my Mod Podge, my scissors, my ruler, a little bag. You will see what I'm going to do with that. My brush for the podge, and then I've got two brushes for the paint. So, and that is what we're going to do today. It's going to be a long process because you have to paint, wait for the paint to dry. Then you have to start with your podge, and that takes a while to dry in between each layer. You have to give it at least 5 layers of podge for it to be sealed decently. But we will also, once we are completely finished with everything and sealed it with the gold, we will use the clear lacquer just to give it that final touch and that sheen color over it. And there is the coasters now done. They just now need to dry completely. I've sprayed them with the clear lacquer so that they are sealed. They are done. They are finished. So once they are completely dry, we will use them. I hope you enjoyed today's little video and I hope enjoying watching it. I will see you in the next one.